A time signature is a notational symbol that is placed at the beginning of a piece of music, right after the clef. It tells the performer and the listener the meter of the piece. The time signature is represented by two numbers, one placed above the other. The top number tells us how many beats there are in a measure or bar, and the bottom number tells us what type of note gets the beat. For today, we'll be focusing on the simple time signatures 2-2, 2-4, 3-4, and 4-4, which can also be represented by the letter C, meaning common time. Starting with a 2-2 time signature, this represents 2 half note beats in every measure or bar. 2-4 equals 2 quarter notes in each measure. 3-4 equals 3 quarter notes, which has a waltz-like rhythm. And 4-4 or common time, which refers to 4 quarter note beats in every measure. Now it's for the fun parts, where I get to put my drum programming skills to the test. Let's listen to how each different time signature sounds in real time. If you are still unfamiliar with the term note values, you can click on this easy to follow video, which I prepared earlier.